listen up. After years of touring the world, selling 10,000 CDs and doing the whole thing, you know what I'm saying? The one question that people ask me a lot, they say, Etienne, pourquoi take French? Well, let me tell you.
Pourquoi take French? I heard you ask. Well, sit back and relate as I kick your aspirations into gear. You got nothing to fear. When you learn a second language, opportunities appear. I know many languages, I'm having fun. A lot more than I would be if I stuck with one. Yeah, I learned French in school, not in my home.
Mais je parle français.
Wherever I may roam. Yeah, I've been to Rome, Barcelona, and France. Rock the masses down under, watch them bounce and dance.
Bounce and dance.
Yeah.
Bounce and dance. Bounce and dance.
But enough about me, let me talk about you. You got a choice, it's your voice, what you gonna do? You can open cash doors, your value soars. When you learn a second language, man, the world is yours. Let me tell you a little story that I think you might like. It's about my high school friend, whose name is Mike. He said, pourquoi take French? I don't live in France, so he didn't take French, although he had the chance. So check it then one day he meets up with the girl of his dreams, a rare beauty like the ones up on the movie screens. He walks up to her and says, shorty, how do you do? She says,
Je parle français. Parlez-vous?
he went from geeking to freaking. He just couldn't be speaking the French that would win him the girl he was meeting. So he turned to me for French help he was seeking. Yeah, well, he nearly flipped his lid. I tell you what I did. I walked up to her and said bonjour, and now we got 3 kids.
Bounce and dance. Bounce and dance. Bounce and dance.
200 million people speak French in this world, in more than 50 different countries. That's lots of boys and girls. French is the official language of UN and NATO, the Red Cross, the Olympics, and UNESCO.
Bounce and dance.
So the moral of the story is just this: it's not about the money making or taking all them trips. But you say, I'm gonna be a doctor, lawyer, engineer. Well, those cats make more money when they speak French, my dear. Cause the world is multilingual, it's real, not virtual. Jam into the words I flow, just stick to what you know for sure. Know what I'm saying? What? Whether for business or for pleasure, learning French unlocks a treasure with no value you can measure. You'll be rich, man, yeah, forever. Whether for business or for pleasure, learning French unlocks a treasure with no value you can measure. You'll be rich, man, yeah, forever. Whether for business or for pleasure, learning French unlocks a treasure with no value you can measure. You'll be rich, man, yeah, forever.
That's right. And that just don't mean rich in your bank account, you know what I'm saying?